Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. I want to share with you CVS best deals that is starting this Sunday, January 14. And I also invite you to check out my blog, which is excitedforcoupons.com. Most of these deals, you're going to be seeing them there, and it will provide the link as well and a little bit more detail. So let's just get started. The first deal that is worth getting is, but that depends if you did get the CVS coupon that is deducting 3 off 15 or something similar like that. You could do this deal. You could buy one Gillette for $8.99 and one Venus for $8.99. Use 2 of the coupons that we received in the P&G December 31st and use that CVS coupon. You will pay $8.98, but you will get back 10 ECBs when you buy 2 items, making this free and $1.02 moneymaker. If you're new to couponing or you're just starting at CVS deals, this one is perfect because you don't need any coupons. So you need to do is just purchase one for $149. You don't need any coupons, and you're going to pay that special price. Crest has some good deals, especially in this current ad that is going on. But if you missed that deal, or you can get to it, then it will just continue. It's just the price is a little bit more than the current deal right now. So if you want to get it, you could just purchase 2 at $3.49. The prices do range. So if you get it at $3.49, it will be $6.98. Use 2 of those manufacturer coupons from P&G, and if you still have that CVS coupon that printed last week, it will deduct $2. So your total will be 98 cents for both. This deal is also on the current ad that is on right now, but it looks like it's going to transfer for next week's deal that starts this Sunday. In case you did miss it, you could purchase 4 for $6.99 each, and your total will be $27.96. You will use 2 of those coupons that deduct $7 every time you buy 2, so it's going to deduct $14. You pay $13.96, but you get back 10 ECB when you purchase 4 items, making this $3.96 or 99 cents for each pack. I'm going to share a few deal scenarios in case you did get the CVS coupon, and also mix and match. The deal is mix and match between Maybelline and L'Oreal, so this is the first idea. You could purchase one of the Lash Paradise for $9.99 and one of the single eyeshadow for $5.99. Use one of the coupons that is specifically for the Lash Paradise, deducting $3. And one for the eyeshadow that deducts 1, you will pay $11.98. You get 5 ECBs when you purchase 2, making this a total of $6.98. Another deal scenario will be getting those same items, but if you have that CVS coupon that printed this Sunday, deducting 3 when you purchase 12, then you will pay $8.98, but you get back 5 ECBs, making this $3.98 or $1.99 for each item. Another deal example will be getting just 2 of those single eyelashes, because the ECB says you will get 5 ECBs if you purchase 2. So you buy 2 for $5.99, you pay $11.98. You use the coupon deducting $1 each, so you pay $9.98. But you get 5 ECBs, so the total will be $4.98 or $2.49 each. Here's another deal idea. This is for the Maybelline, the single eyeshadows as well. Just keep in mind that my store have it at $3.59, but I have seen other stores that is near my house as well, and I've seen them at $3.99, so the price may vary. So let's start with $3.59. The total will be $7.18 if you buy 2. You use 2 of those coupons that came in the Red Plum January 7. You pay $5.18. After the coupons were deducted, you get back 5 ECBs, and your total will be 18 cents. This item I've also seen in different prices, but in this case I'm going to go with the $5.79 since that's the price I've seen more in my store, so we could purchase 2. The Physicians formula is if you purchase $10 worth, you'll get $7 ECB. There's no coupons needed, so you could purchase 2 of these items. You pay $11.58, but you get $7 back, making this $4.58 or $2.29 each. If your store has them a little bit higher, then you will be able to reach $12. And if you have that $3 off when you spend $12 in any type of makeup, then you'll be able to save even more. Another example for Physicians formula will be buying the butter blush. That's $12.79, and you could use that coupon if you still have it, deducting 3 on the purchase of 12. It's a CVS coupon that we got this Sunday that just passed. Then you pay $9.79, but you get back $7 in ECB, and your total will be $2.79. As you can see, I wrote on the bottom selected items. Hopefully this item is included, and you could do this deal scenario in case you are looking for the gold bond. There is other type of coupons deducting $150, but it's specified on the type of lotion. So this one is the most simple one. So you buy 2 for $7.99. You use 2 of those coupons deducting $1 each. You pay $13.98, but you get back ECB when you purchase $15 or more. Your total will be $8.98 or $4.49 each. Here's another good deal, and if you have any of those CVS coupons that is specifically on lotions or anything like that, you could combine it to save a lot more. So you could purchase 2 of these items at $7.99, so the total will be $15.98. But you could use 2 of the coupons. I'll deduct $3 each. That is on the Smart Source January 7. And also you could combine it with that CVS coupon, so you pay $6.98, but you get back 5 ECBs when you buy 15, making this just a total of $1.98 for both. There will be 2 different offers for the L'Oreal hair care. It could be if you buy 2 or you buy 3. So I'm just giving you an example. If you buy 2, if you still have that CVS coupon that printed last Sunday that it deducted 2, when you buy 2, you could use it on this deal. So purchase 2 of the L'Oreal shampoos and conditioners for $4.99 depending on the price in your store. You pay $9.98. Your total will be $9.98. Use that coupon deducting 4 plus the coupon that you got from the CVS machine from last week. So you pay $3.98, but you get back $4 in ECB when you buy 2, making this just free. There is many items mix and match. The point is that you need to purchase $20 worth and you get back $5 ECB. So here is the deal scenario in case. You could purchase 2 of the Tide Pods for $4.94 and 2 of the Tide liquid detergent for $5.44. Use 4 of coupons from the P&G for the Tide Pods and for the liquid. So you pay $12.76 after the coupons have been deducted, but you get back 5 ECBs because you spend $20 or more. So your total will be $7.76 or $1.94 for each item. This deal still continues and carries on to this week. If you get any CVS coupon for Garnier or moisturizer, it will be perfect for this deal. But I haven't seen any this week, and I don't know if we're going to get any this Sunday. But I'm just going to share with you this deal. You could purchase 2 of the moisturizer for $8.49. Your total will be $16.98. Use 2 of the coupons, deducting $3 each. You pay $10.98, but you get back 5 ECB, making this $5.98 or $2.99 cents each. Another idea could be buying 2 of the towelettes because the coupon does specify for any type of cleanser or cleaning product. So if you could use this coupon and if this item is included on the deal, you could purchase 2 for $6.79, making this $13.58. Use 2 of those coupons and you'll pay $9.58. You get back 5 ECB or a total of $4.58 or $2.29 for each item, but just verify first to make sure that both items with the coupons are okay for this deal. These are the best items I was able to see that are upcoming for the CVS ad. If I see anything more, I will include it just like I do in my Instagram and my blog as well. And also don't miss to see my Sunday's haul as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that if you like it, you go ahead and like, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.